All right, here's more help from the 9-3B classwork. This is number 36. Here is our list again of going through all the landmarks we have to figure out. I'll go 1 through 5 after we fully factor this, just so you can see that list again. All right, let me get all this on the page. Okay, we have to fully factor the top and bottom. When we fully factor this one with the magic x, it actually equals x plus 3 times x plus 3, and it's divided by an x plus 3. Now the first thing we have to look at is for common zeros. There is one and one only. It's this one and the first one. So we have a hole in the graph at x equals -3. But you can't cancel out both of these. When you cancel out these two, what you're left over with is y equals x plus 3. This is a slope-intercept form of a line, and that's how we'll graph it in just a minute. But you can't use one factor on the bottom to cancel out two factors. That would be like saying x squared over x, just cancel it out to be 1. And we know that's not true. Okay, let's go through and continue with the rest of our landmarks. So we know we have a hole at x equals -3. Are there any other zeros of the denominator? No, there are not. So, vertical asymptotes, there are none. Horizontal asymptotes, this is degree analysis. The degree of the top is 2, the bottom is 1. So if the degree of the top is more, there are no horizontal asymptotes. So our third category is none. 4 is going to be the x-intercepts. What are the zeros of, wow, the light's turned off here in the classroom, sorry. What is the other zero of the numerator? Well, it's at x equals -3. Now that's a little misleading. Even though x equals -3, it says it's on the graph, it's actually a hole. So when we go over here to graph this, that point is actually a hole, but it's where the line would intersect the x-axis. And the last one is the y-intercepts. If I enter 0 here, here, and here, I'm going to have 3 times 3 is 9, divided by 3 is 3. So at y equals 3, which is this point right here, I have a y-intercept. And this makes sense. This is a slope of 1, y-intercept of 3, up 1 over 1, and this line goes like this. And we're done.